Hi everyone, it's Jill with Greenwood Girl Cards, and I am coming on to share some sweet Christmas tags that I made this weekend. And these actually are little tiny angel tags. They say Christmas Angel on them, and this little tag is one of the digital Lily of the Valley stamps, which are still available on Etsy. You can order the set. I think it's around $4. And then you can alter them to make them different sizes. So this is actually, I shrunk the tag down a little bit to fit better with the scale of this particular angel tag. Sorry, my camera strap is falling in the way here. Let me see if I can move it out of the way so it doesn't block the picture. There we go. No, that didn't work. There we go. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. So anyway, this particular die is an Elizabeth Craft Designs planner die from their Planner Essentials line, and I just thought this angel was so cute. So and then I added on the ties, I added the little pom-pom beads that are from Joann's Fabric and Crafts. I think I got them last summer. Gloria, hi Gloria, who's Crafted Cake 7, was the one who, I think I saw her do a haul with them, and I went and got some. So I wanted to use those, so I just tied them on to the ends of each one of these tags. So these turned out really sweet, and I thought I would just come on really quick and share them. They're all essentially the same, just very simple, and they all say Christmas Angel. And then I also made some in red and white with red velvet ribbons. And these ones I didn't have matching pom-poms, so I just used a red velvet ribbon. And this angel is cut out of a paper with Christmas words on it. So just turned out really cute. And there's some foam behind that one. And then another of the tags, another of the die sets is a snowflake. So I also made some that say Let It Snow, and this is the full-size Lily of the Valley tag. So these are just really simple tags. Whoops. Oh, that one I need to glue better. That one's not glued well enough, so I'll have to take that one back upstairs and re-glue it. But just really cute little snowflakes that say Let It Snow. And you know how much I love the snow, you guys. So that is what I'm coming on to share, just these little tags. And I will show you the die sets I use. These are new dies from Elizabeth Craft Designs. They're called Planner Essentials. I can't get the whole thing in the picture, so I'm just going to show you, but there's the die. Do it this way. This is the angel die, and this is the backer for it, and it comes as part of this bookmark set. And it has a bunch of words and other items in it, and you can view these on the Elizabeth Craft Designs website. Okay, then there's also this tree one. I used that upstairs, but I didn't bring it down. I liked these ones better with the snowflake, and this is, I believe, is a wreath. So these are both bookmarks with different tabs, and then this says Holly Jolly. So there's just different things. I love these little Christmas tree hole covers. I forget what you call them, but they're the things that you can decorate your planner strips with. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and share that with you really quick. I hope you guys are all having a good weekend. I actually have been setting up my October and December daily today using some Elizabeth Craft Designs Planner Essentials dies. I wanted, you know, I've been buying a planner every year, and I just wanted to be able to make one each year myself, so I ordered some stuff that will allow me to do that, and I'm pretty excited. I played around with it a little bit today, and I'm hoping I can get something put together completely to share with you. So anyway, I hope you guys all had a lovely weekend. Happy September. I'm praying for everybody that in the Bahamas, all the small islands that have been affected by the hurricane that's coming, Dorian. And I'm praying for everybody in Florida and Texas and anywhere that it hits landfall and causes problems. I'm not sure exactly what the path of the storm will be, but my thoughts and prayers are with everybody. And I just hope you can all stay safe. So God bless us, everyone. I'll be back with you soon, I hope. Take good care. Bye-bye.